Welcome back to Everything House. I'm Marco. We're going to be talking about reciprocating saws today. So I have two styles, a couple more, but essentially they both do the same exact thing. They're great for demo. You can get blades that cut wood, which look like this. Okay, you have bigger teeth, and then you get ones for metal, which look like this. Okay, finer teeth, so it takes out a little bit less at a time. A couple things to know about reciprocating saws. They all pretty much have a similar chuck design, okay, which right here by the end, on this particular model, you have this lever here, you push this up, and then that opens up a little knuckle inside, okay, and you can go ahead and slide the blade in and out, push it all the way in, then let go, and then just double check to make sure you're in there, okay. It goes into this little hole that's on the end of all reciprocating blades, okay. So that's how you change a blade. This style has a little bit different. It doesn't have a lever. Instead, it has a little wheel here. You just rotate this, okay? And it does the same thing. It releases the blade. As you can see, it's the same style. Same thing, go ahead and pop it in, let go. Maybe help it close if it has to. And then same deal, okay? They do have a bunch of different blades you can buy. This was a cheap set I got on Amazon. I won't be buying them again. The blades aren't that good. But here's just an example. So these are great though. These are the Bosch Edge Extreme Cuts, medium metal. They hold up a long time. Well, basically how you can judge a blade, especially a reciprocating saw blade, is how long it lasts. All right, because any blade can do a one-off cut. Question is, how often are you changing these blades? And money really does matter. So the more money you spend on your reciprocating saw blade, the longer it should last. Like for instance, this blade I had on here for quite a bit, maybe a couple weeks, and I haven't had to change it. Whereas this guy, I think I just had cut maybe three, four pieces of 2x4 or something like that, and it's already on its way out. Maybe even more. It looks a little worse for wear, but as I see, like I got on that one, this is a pruner wet wood style blade. It's very sharp. They're all going to be very sharp out of the package. Again, the question is the temper, how hard is the metal, how long will it last before you got to change a new blade. As you can see, the teeth, it takes out big pieces of wood as it goes. It's not very fine at all. This one is just a regular wood blade, a little bit more finer teeth. As you can see, it's going to take less bites as it reciprocates. Okay, and then you got the metal blade I showed you. That's another wood blade that I went through a little, and you could see, yeah, just as it goes, you could see the wear that it has. And this is significantly less sharp here than it is to this brand new guy, which I don't want to do that. It feels that sharp. Yeah, I'll put a link in the description for some blades that I found that I like, so you don't waste your money. Again, if you're a homeowner and you use this thing 10 times a year, any blades will work. But if you're going to depend on your tools, to finish the job faster so you can get home. So thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Again, put in the comments anything that I might have missed we talked about, or anything else you want me to elaborate on. I'd be very happy. Like and subscribe if you have not already. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks.